To set the file app to open the .ott files in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, select Apps, and then select the file apps. Scroll down the screen, find Films and TV. Next, tap Films and TV. Scroll down the screen, find the .ott, oh sorry, .dot, and then tap the .dot default app. Select the default app you want to set as to open .dot files, for example, VLC Media Player, and then tap OK. Now VLC Media Player set as default app to open .dot files. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.